Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Experience Mathematics. In today's video I am going to teach you how to construct angle of the given size. Before starting, I want you to subscribe my channel so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Now without delay I will start my today's topic, construction of angle. For construction of angle you need a ruler and a protractor. Okay, so first of all you should draw a straight line using ruler. Okay, you need pencil also, but I have used ball pen because it will not be visible to you, so I am using ball pen, but I suggest you to use pencil to construct angle. So first of all I am drawing a straight line. You can draw the straight line of any size. Okay, size doesn't matter, you can draw the straight line of any measure. Now to draw angle, you place the center of this protractor on this one end of the straight line. Okay, here is the center of the protractor. You can see the center you place on one end of the straight line, and this baseline along this straight line. Okay, I am placing it here. Look at here. We need to construct an angle of 20 degree. So you see 20 degree here in the inner scale. You always start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30. 30 is here. Just above 30 you mark here. Okay, and now you can remove this protractor and join this point with this point using ruler. Okay, now I am joining these 2 points using ruler. Now the angle of 20 degrees is constructed. The measure of this angle is 20 degree. You can name this angle A, B, C. Okay, here required angle is here. Required angle is angle ABC equals to 20 degree. Okay, in this way we can construct this angle of 20 degree. Now I will show you how to construct the angle of 110 degree. Look at here. Next question. In Z number of your book there is angle of 110 degree. Okay, so to draw angle of 110 degree I follow the same procedure. First of all I will draw a straight line. Okay, you can draw the straight line of any measure, and the process is same. You place the center of this protractor on one end of this line segment, and this baseline you place along this line. Okay, in this way we will place it, and we need to draw an angle of 110 degree. So you just see the reading of 110 degree. So make sure that you start from 0. Okay, so our line segment is on the right side from center, so from right side you should start from 0. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 is here. So just above 110 you mark one point. Okay, just mark one point and you join that point with this end point of the line segment. Okay, using ruler. So I am joining this point with the end point of the line segment like this way. Now you see our angle of 110 degree is prepared. Okay, you can name this angle. You can name this angle as P Q R, and you can write 110 degree here. Okay, so here required angle is angle PQR equals to 110 degree. Okay, this 110 degree angle is prepared. Okay, so whether our angle is 110 degree or not, you can once confirm by placing protector. Okay, putting the center of this protector at the vertex of the angle, and this baseline along one arm QR, and see here. So here you see our angle is exactly 110 degree. Okay, here you should be careful. Okay, you may think that 110 degree is also here. You may draw 70 degree here if you think that this is 110 degree. Okay, don't be confused, because if you start from 0 and if you keep on counting, then you will not be confused, because you are starting from 0 means 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This is 70. This is not the 110. Okay, so if you start counting from 180, then only you will be confused. Okay, so if you start from 0 degree, then you are always safe. Okay, you will not make any mistake. Okay, so 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10, 100, 110 will always be here if you start to draw in this way. Okay, and similarly while drawing 20 also we have done the same. Okay, we have started from 0, 0, 10, 20. Okay, you should not read this, see this operating, because starting from 0, this 20 is quite clear. Okay, in this way you can easily construct angle of any measure using protractor. Okay, if you need to draw 90 degree, then 90 degree reading is here. Okay, so for this 90 degree, two readings are same. Here also 90, here is also 90 degree. Okay, so it is quite easy to draw 90 degree also. So I hope that you do not find constructing angle anything difficulties in this. You can easily construct the angle of any measure. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed my channel, make sure that you subscribe my channel right now, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that when I upload video you will get notification immediately, and you can watch it and you will be benefited. Thank you very much.